Hi guys, Merry Christmas to everyone. And in last video we discussed how to use move tool, paintbrush tool and paint bucket tool. And this video we would be discussing different types of selection tools. And selection tools are very necessary as it allows you to manipulate different sections of an image or your artwork. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe because I upload videos almost daily. So now let's move to my screen for the selection tool usage. Okay, so now we are here at my screen now, and now I will show you how you can use different types of selection tool. This is an image of my artwork which I created 2-3 days back. I was practicing advertisement designing, so I made this thing and from using different elements. And now this one is not a Photoshop file. This is an image, so I am going to use some selection tools on this image. So first selection tool is elliptical marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, single row, single column marquee tool. These allows you to select different types of shape. For example, if you want to select a rectangle or a square, pressing shift will give you a square, or without shift you will select a rectangle, and you can simply select this portion and uh, okay, this is a smart object. I have to rasterize. Okay, now I can delete this one. You can simply delete this portion of an image by selecting a, for example, if I'm using elliptical marquee tool, you can deselect this one. Okay, I've selected this thing and I can delete simply this thing. And now you came here with the lasso tool. This is just like a freehand tool, and you can simply draw a thing and select. Simply you can draw the tool and select this thing. So lasso tool, then you have a polygon lasso tool. Just press a click, then right click, click, left click, press right click to just select the point, and you can create shapes like triangle or different types of, if your object is like uh, for example like this phone, you can or basically it is a symmetrical shape, you can select using this thing. It is a square shape, not a curvy shape, non-curvy shape. You can use polygon lasso tool also to select. And then here comes a good tool which is called magnetic lasso tool, and it selects on the basis of color. Color difference you can just completely, and there is a difference in color, so it is selecting. I am just moving my mouse and it is just selecting whole thing. And yeah, it is not perfect because it will not perfect, it is a software, but it is pretty good. Okay, so you can select simply this using polygon lasso tool. And polygon lasso magnetic lasso tool, sorry, and magnetic lasso tool is very helpful when it comes to when there is a huge difference between the colors. So magnetic lasso tool becomes very helpful. And now the main tool which is used for selection, it is a pen tool. Pen tool is just like you are making an outline. You can do anything using pen tool. You can select any shape, any portion using pen tool, but it takes time, but it is really helpful. I personally use most of the time pen tools to use for making selection, so that I can do masking and particularly portion wise editing in the design. So you can simply select the portion and make selection. There are many more uses of pen tool, but in this video I am only sticking to selection tool. And yeah, you can select this portion and just delete it or change the color and do a lot of stuff. I will explain other things in coming videos, how you can manipulate some things, but for now you should know how I can select different things and different different things at different types of images. So, and there is also a one special tool which is very handy and which is very fast, and it works almost great. You just go to select and subject, select subject. So it will select a particular portion in an image which you want, and it works really great. But you can see some errors, so it is better you should go with the pen tool, but it is also working great. If I delete this one, it has done really a great job. But if you are working on, if you want to work really on the small different small aspects, you should use pen tool, because it is not like this. It does not give error like this. You are manually editing that, so it will not give any error. So that's it in today's video, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. And if you are here till now, make sure to hit a like. And I upload videos regularly, so do subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram if you want to see some crazy stuff like these things. And I have also created a lot of great stuff, and I upload videos almost regularly. So that's it for today's video. And yeah, I completely forgot one thing, that I have really special announcement to make, but not in this video. I will be around in coming week. I will make an announcement, and I'm planning some more stuff. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And you can also post your designs in my Facebook group. The link to my Facebook group I will give in the description. So that's it. Yeah, bye guys, and Merry Christmas.